Welcome to Charleston New Homes Guide, Rob with the Guide. I'm Keely Bird, your local new construction expert. Today I am in Horizons by Lennar in Carnes Crossroads. I'm going to take you on a tour of their cottage series featuring the Carlyle, the Drake, and the Hampton floor plans. They start in the around 1,500 square feet, but the Drake you can actually add a second story to, and that can put it to 2,000 square feet. So there's really a lot of flexibility within these models to kind of make it your own and customize to what your specific needs are. I cannot wait to show you. Let's get started. Welcome to the Hampton, shown at 1,507 square feet, two beds, two full baths. This to me is the quintessential 55 plus downsizing house. I love it. I really think it offers everything that you need and nothing that you don't. The guest room is really far away from everything else, nicely situated in the front of the home. And it has awesome access to the hall bath, which is in a really private location, full bath right off the two-car garage here. Stunning floors throughout this house. And one thing that I'm really noticing is just so much light. Check out all the windows on the side of this house. The primary bedroom is tucked away down this hall in the middle of the home, and it has a really generous walk-in closet. So much space in there. And I really love this room. It's just so bright, has all the space that you need. And of course, a really well appointed primary bath, transom window. We, of course, have the stool there and the zero entry, which everybody loves. Great tile selection on this floor, a private water closet, and of course, it has the dual vanity feature as well. Hallmarked by these high ceilings and these abundant windows, this floor plan just allows so much light and natural warmth into it. We're stepping into the living spaces here. The dining area is nice and set apart. And of course, everybody loves Lennar's kitchens. They're known for their super clean aesthetic, natural gas, stainless steel appliances, oversized quartz countertops and islands. And there's definitely a pantry here too for extra storage behind this paneled door here. They know what people are wanting and what they're looking for. And this kitchen is a perfect example of that, situated right off of the standard screen port. I think that's such a great feature that Horizons is giving you because we really can enjoy this low country weather almost year round here. This floor plan is really special and I think a quintessential 55 plus home, giving you the two beds, two baths, all the spaces that you need, and cutting out some of that extra square footage that you might not. Welcome to the Drake at Horizons. This adorable house is at 1,435 square feet, but it has a really unique opportunity to add a whole second story to it with a loft, a full bedroom, and bathroom. It's going to be shown at just the single story option, but it just goes to show you what Lennar can do here at Horizons to make all these nine models really suit your needs. I can't wait to show you how well appointed this house is, so let's get inside and get started. Welcome to the Drake, shown at 1,435 square feet. If you want that second story, the stairs go right here, but as it's set up is a really nice formal entrance. We come into the main area of the home here, right into this beautiful kitchen. They've got some great spaces here, oversized island. You can see there's fitting four bar stools there, gas stainless steel appliances, tile backsplash, and a great pantry right off of the dining area here. So just a really nice flow to this home. Bedrooms 1 and 2 are kind of tucked away nicely in this back area here, and they have a nice shared hall bath, quartz countertops, and really nice tile. Again, we've noticed just so much great storage here in all the 9 models that Horizons has to offer, and, this is the dedicated laundry area here, so really conveniently set up over in this nook by bedrooms 1 and 2 and into the sitting area, the formal living area here, right off of that standard screen porch. Again, look at these beautiful inlays, just letting so much light into this floor plan here, and a really nice screen and porch. Enjoy that weather year round. And the highlight of the home, the primary bedroom, tucked privately in the rear of the house, leads to a really beautiful ensuite bath. We've got the shower going all the way up to the ceiling here, transom window, the bench, the zero entry, and of course we have a dual vanity as well as a oversized walk-in closet, and they're always bringing the flooring in here, which is such a nice feature. Such luxury touches like the paneled doors. This home really showcases how you don't need a lot of square footage to get those luxury touches. And I just love the high ceilings, the flow of this house. It's really beautiful. Plus, you can add that second story, which just makes that super flexible, adding that extra room and family area if you need it. But this really lends itself to entertaining, having the dining and the family space all be in one. Thanks so much for tuning in to today's Ride with the Guide. I had a great time taking you on a tour of the Cottage series here by Lennar and Horizons. I think this series has so much value in it. Starting in the 300s, you get those great standout features like the hardy plank siding, the screen-in porch, and of course the two-car garage. And you have access to everything in the neighborhood, including the greater amenities as well as the Horizon-specific amenities. On-duty agents are here 7 days a week, so pop in or make an appointment. They can tell you everything that this fabulous neighborhood has to offer. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you on the next Ride with the Guide.